Hello there. I'm making this video just to show you how to get a YouTube player inside of your spreadsheet. And I'm not really sure why some people would use this. Maybe so they can watch movies while they're working, or I guess if you had like maybe a how-to video and you're trying to do some complex VBA code or something in Excel, it would be nice to have that tutorial. I'm sure there's all kinds of uses for it. I just haven't figured out how I would use it, but it is pretty nifty having it in there. I'm just going to go over how I added it. So whenever you have one in, you can just simply select it and delete it. To add a new one, you just go to add-ins, look up YouTube, select this one. I haven't tried this one yet, but I might try that next. Select web video player, click add, make sure that you agree to all the licensing terms, continue. I'll have to get a link off the internet real quick. Just take that one. Punch that in. I'll turn autoplay on. I don't really want to start at a specific time. Don't want to end at a specific time. I just want to play, but you do have that option. Start the video, and there you go. So you can, I believe you can make the video bigger. You have to get it to a certain aspect. You can't just make it widescreen. Oh, I guess you can. I wasn't sure if you could actually make it that big. So if you want to move it, just select the outside and move it around. It seems kind of funky when it's in this large state, causing some issues. I think it's probably easier to move whenever you have it real small. There you go. Move it around, and I think if you select it and you copy it, I'm gonna put this at the end. Here I'm going to a new sheet. Yeah, I can just paste as many of these as I want. I'm sure there's some type of limitation, but let's see if I can get another one in here. I'm almost positive they have to have the same video, but you could have the same video in every tab if you wanted to. But as you can see here, they're running at different times, so unless you have a live video, they're not going to be synced. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete that one, and you have your all your regular settings. You can, well, it only works, well, my laptop itself works I think 1440, but this only goes up to, what was it, yeah, 1080p, so you have some limitation there. But otherwise, you have all your regular settings that won't expand. You got pause, you got your volume settings. Yeah, closed caption even works. So yeah, you have your own little YouTube within your spreadsheet. If anyone is able to think of any uses for this, yeah, I'd like to know, but the only real reason I could see someone using this is just so that they don't have to have it in their browser. And you know, if they only have one computer screen and you're, you know, kind of deep diving into a spreadsheet all night, that would probably be the only reason that I could see somebody having it. But there you go. Yeah, you can watch YouTube in Excel if you like.